Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Finocontrol is hiring for UI, UX and graphic design intern. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. So here are the roles and responsibilities. Work on developing concepts and graphics for social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Design, develop and produce advertisement materials that support and correspond with company training program. Graphic design, illustration, layout and photo editing according to the need of the company. Work with the HR team to find innovative solutions and about the content that needs to be created for a certain course. Keep up with the finance industry and try to be creative by giving ideas to create designs. Design and develop brochures. Ability to work under strict deadlines. Build brainstorming UI UX for the website and ideate creative solutions. Skills required for this job role are basic knowledge of layouts, typography, line composition, color and other graphic design fundamentals. Experience with Figma, InDesign, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Strong creative and analytical skills. Compelling portfolio of graphic design work. Stipend is 8,000 per month and 6,000 is fixed and 2,000 is variable performance based. Please note that this is an internship opportunity with 6 working days. Wednesday is a holiday at the organization. Note, if the performance of the candidate is good, he or she will be retained and offered PPO. Let us get to know more about Finocontrol. Finocontrol Consultancy Services LLP has a legacy in providing educational, advisory, consulting and training services and is ranked as the top 10 best FM companies in the world. With respect to financial markets, investment banking, business, economics, tax, artificial intelligence, blockchain, machine learning, corporate standards, technical education, to the public at large and to publish journals, newspaper articles, magazines, blogs and newsletters in this respect in India or abroad. Recognized and registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MSME, Government of India, its objective is to escalate financial and technical literacy amongst every student and individual, making them competent, efficient in their respective domains of interest. Its journals and newsletters are short and easy to understand, which will help you gain competency in the finance and technological domain. We will cover each and every current topic with in-depth analysis, provide you with case studies and help you understand with real-time examples. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button and fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.